Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hackers are costing billions of dollars in our society. They are making the life of the business owners miserable by cracking through the personal details. And the hackers are continuously trying to exploit the information so that they can use it to gain financial advantage. The big companies, government agencies, and even the small business owners are doing their best to save themselves from this ongoing threat. Though there is no bulletproof strategy, still you can make the job of the hacker extremely hard. In this video, I will give you the top 6 cybersecurity tips that can keep your business well protected. But before we go further, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, support us on Patreon, as it supports the channel and helps me to continue creating videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. 1. Using secured password. You might be wondering that how can we secure our password? Password itself is a very complex combination of characters, and there is nothing more to add to it. But the top cybersecurity expert always considers things from a different point of view. You should not use any common password that is too easy to guess. You should not be using the alphabetical or numerical password, as it makes the system vulnerable to brute force attack. To keep things simple and safe, you have known about complex password, which is usually alphanumeric and contains special characters. If you find it hard, you can use a password generator and secure your online business portal by using such a method. Also, educate your employees to use such a complicated password so that they don't become the weak spot of your security measures. 2. Create layers of users. To protect your business from hackers, you have to limit access to different levels of users. By doing so, you are limiting access to certain types of accounts. This process is extensively followed by big organizations like Apple, Google, etc., since they know how vigorously the hackers are trying to take them down. Creating layers of security might require hiring IT professionals, but it will be worth the bucks. Most importantly, it's more like a one-time investment. So, once you have created the layers in different levels of users, your security will be reinforced to a great extent. 3. Examine the devices. You might be running a small business, but still you have to monitor the official devices regularly. For example, for web browsing, you can ask your employees to use DuckDuckGo, an anonymous search engine. By doing so, they are going to add an extra layer of security. Still, some of them might use the traditional web searching process and infect your office workstation. For this reason, it is better to examine the device regularly to ensure no malware is penetrating the security of your business. Follow this unique technique, and you will see what benefit it brings to your business. 4. Educate your employees. You have to educate your employees regarding online threats. Many employees don't even understand the sizable damage that hackers can do to your business. Arrange training sessions for the employees, and let them know how the hackers get personal details via misleading content, emails, and other new techniques. If you arrange such an educational campaign twice in a year, it will be more than enough to create responsibility for your employees. Even if they don't think that they are not doing something fishy, still they will think twice before using the office resource in the wrong way. In a sense, it can improve your business productivity in the long run. 5. Try to find the weak spot. The best thing you can do is hire a professional IT team to find a weak spot. Tell them to hack your system, so that you know the weak spot. During the hacking process, it's very normal, they will find some spaces in your online existence that requires more security. Let them work on that weak spot, and you will have a much more reliable and better system. Testing your online business model like a hacker is the best way to improve your security. 6. Be prepared for an attack. After trying all these factors, at times you might still become a victim. So, you must have an alternative plan to deal with such threats and attacks. Once you face such problems, take steps according to the plan, and you will be able to manage the situation without causing a great deal of damage to your business. And every big company has such a contingency plan. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to mention your opinions in the comments section below. Please press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.